Hi everyone, it's Brodie McCulloch here from Spacecubed. Just wanted to give you a quick update as we're now sort of hitting the end of the health challenges that West Australia and Perth has been having, which is really amazing, probably a lot quicker than any of us thought that would happen. There's only currently 3 people infected with COVID-19, and we are getting a lot of strong indications that things are starting to return back to normal, which is great. A lot of coffee shops in the city are now open, but I guess what we wanted to do was communicate with you the safety measures we've put in place to ensure that you feel comfortable and your teams feel comfortable coming back into our spaces. So at the link below, you can see all of the policies and procedures that we've put in place, the extra cleaning, removing chairs from meeting rooms, limiting the number of people coming into floor spaces, checking in for everyone so that we know who's been into our spaces, both visitors and members. So all of these things combined, plus the extra cleaning regimes, will really help with us to minimise any chances of COVID-19 in our spaces. So the spaces are reopened. Interestingly, we're really starting to see a lot of people starting to inquire about flexible space. So we think this has really shifted the dial on how people will use space, which we think would have taken, 5 to 10 years, and now is happening sort of this month, which is pretty amazing to think about. So if you do require more space for your team or have different requirements, please come back to us and talk to us about that. We will be talking to all of our members over the coming weeks around their requirements going forward, as some teams have expanded and some have shrunk, but really excited that a lot of the companies in our spaces are continuing on and growing their businesses. To support you in that, we've still got all of our online events happening and we'll continue to run those. We'll hold off on in-space events just for the next probably few weeks until the next phase of restrictions is lifted. But that's all within the next month and a half, which is pretty amazing. So we expect by end of June to have a lot of our members back in the space, whether that's staggered in their teams or all of them back in, which is really exciting. We do think it'll be a slower ramp up over the next sort of 6 weeks, but we're really excited to have everyone back. So if you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to me or the team, but check out the links below, understand how to sign in through the Sign app, and we look forward to welcoming everyone back soon. Cheers.